welcome back to 876 and Chill. You don't know, it's your island girl Raquel.
And your yard boy Stretch.
So today we're going to be doing prank calls on our friends.
Yeah.
Guys, we didn't really want to do this, but we had to do it.
For fun.
Your friends and our friends gave us your numbers to call you. So guys, it's just for fun. No hard feelings.
Nothing. No, yeah.
You know, it's just for fun.
F-U-N.
Fun.
We're not going to enjoy it. Is me I say? We're not going to love this.
So guys, before we go any further, I'd like to welcome all our new subscribers.
Yeah.
I see the count going up. It's taking a little time, but welcome you guys. If you're new here, you're just seeing us for the first time,
trust me, welcome.
Come join the family. Welcome to 876 and Chill.
Straight.
Guys, we also want you to follow us on all social media. We're on Instagram at 876N.
Chill.
N as in the letter N.
N for netball.
Yeah. Our network.
Yeah.
Network.
Yeah.
Right. We're also on Facebook at 876 and Chill.
That's the one with the
symbol.
Yeah, the symbol. Yeah.
We're now on Snapchat at 876N Chill. So guys, if you want to get the little juicy scoop, you know, want to hear chilling, vibing, prepping for a video, you guys can check us out on Snapchat. You guys can follow us on Instagram and Facebook for never before seen videos and images.
Rosie. Never had been seen before. Anyway, back to you.
Guys, we hope you're all staying safe. We know that it's raining right now.
Yeah, man,
especially the persons in Garden Town or Poppy inside. Guys, I feel it for you. Wow. My family is up there too. But I want to let you all know that stay in your house.
Stay in your lane.
Cook little chicken back.
Yeah.
You know, like a dumpling. Some people like cook chicken back.
No, I'm not this.
Alright.
I'm not
cook
this.
Little chicken parts.
Let's cook some good food.
Yeah, you know, just go and eat and enjoy the real.
Don't choke now. Don't
Stay
choke.
safe. Yeah, don't joke.
Yeah.
Stay safe.
And for all those persons who we just want to keep themselves safe, we don't want no casualties, no or anything.
Yeah, the video people them.
Yeah,
we soon know.
Yeah.
When they can step back a little bit, just you know.
Step back. Tone it down a little bit. No matter up on the edge, we want to be the report.
Well, my glad to see the images them, but you know, we have to remember say we have to keep safe as well.
True.
So let's get into our first call.
First call.
So we're going to call John. Now John, Christina told me to call you, and I randomly select a name and let's see what will happen.
Alright, we are call John.
Put it on speaker.
Yeah, we talk on speaker, man.
No, are you a call John?
Yes, and that's why me on the phone.
Hello?
Hello? Yo. Yeah, hombre, what go on? You name John?
Yeah, man, there. Who is?
You name John? First question there. Yo, alright, you are going now. This is me and Shanice, man. You see me I say? I'm see her text her and them things. So I want to know what going between the two of you. You see me I say?
Who you talking, brother?
No, yo, I see your number in her phone, hombre. And bother with it.
Who you talking, brother? Let me ask you.
Yeah, you say Shanice, hombre. Shanice, me at I see your number in a Shanice phone. That's why I call
I
it.
know who is for Shanice, brother. That's why I ask you.
Oh, you know what it was. Oh, so that's some Shanice you a link.
I don't know about a link in or nothing, brother.
You know about a link in or nothing. So where your number in her phone?
I don't know who you're talking about, bro.
Shanice, brothers. Yo, no but Virgin, you see the text we are sending her. We are talking we don't know. Which Shanice you are sending lovely text there?
Lovely text.
Yeah, lovely text there.
I don't know what you're talking about, brother.
You sure you don't know what I talk about?
If you don't be specific, brother,
why am I to be specific when you know which Shanice me at all? You know already, you know.
Brother, I don't know who you're talking about.
You sure about that?
John. John. John.
No.
Raquel. Listen, don't tell Christina that I will call you. Here come I call her too. This is one prank call. Don't tell her though.
Alright, yeah man.
Alright.
Hello.
Alright, look at it, bro.
Yeah man, respect.
John said, which Shanice you are talking about?
Man, know enough Shanice.
Man, them know enough Shanice.
Specific.
You know, be specific.
That's weird, I want them holding. I
think him did that going up on women all
That's
like.
weird. Yo, I'm start
know
sweat,
who
bro.
we
I'm
are
start
talking
sweat, cause things like man I get dark for me, you know. Yo.
Alright, the next victim on the list, Shamela. Christina again told me to call you. So when I say Christina, pinch her.
Yeah, that's what I thought about. Alright, here it comes. The ring peeps. Yo, man, have me a sweat, brother.
Shamela, but she not answer strange number.
Hang it up.
I'm sorry.
Next person on the list. Like,
Where I circle back to
yeah,
her.
come back to that one. She not answer. Hope you should not call me up on the next call.
Alright, Big Neck. Chev from over Chev Jea. So I'm supposed to call you. Oh, and guys, you can also go over and check out Chev Jea's page. They're a YouTube couple and they're really fun. So, Big Neck, we're going to be calling you.
Hello?
Hello.
Good day.
Good day. How you doing?
I am okay.
You remember me?
Huh?
You just gave me a number like 10 minutes ago, Shelly.
I just gave you my number.
Yeah, you did. We just met in the town.
Huh?
You just met me in the town.
Trying to remember.
You're trying to remember.
Trying.
You don't remember the tall brown girl with the short hair, the short red hair?
Where's in my brain right now? Stop studying. Yeah, what's up?
Yeah, I do.
I'll take some more. Trust me, I am.
Remember? Repeat that?
I'm totally not remembering.
I can't believe you just gave me a number and you don't remember me.
Just
Like 10 minutes ago?
10 minutes? No.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm sure.
But I like you though.
You like me too?
Yeah, I like you.
What do you like about me?
Everything from your big head to your big toe.
Okay.
Big Neck.
Yeah.
I saw you meet woman. I saw woman just randomly call your phone and you want to talk to them.
But I don't remember. I don't remember.
Neck or Raquel.
I pick up the voice right now here. But you probably could have brought me through for the 10 minutes.
Huh?
You probably would have brought me if it wasn't for the 10 minutes.
Oh, so meet
Yes.
meet woman on road now.
Just now, that's my number.
May I go tell?
Because half my time is work.
Alright, big up yourself. Big Net just start play along with the little prank, you know? Oh yeah. Yeah, my heart. You know? Do you have WhatsApp? What I call Tristan. Tristan, this is courtesy of Steven. When you see him, pinch him. Wait, Tristan, have a number?
Yo, this is gonna be epic, people. This is gonna be real epic. Let's listen. As long as you get there, it's gonna say it'll be real epic. Something about it to have a bus. Why is their phone not ringing though? We don't know what I'm going for the service. Be the weather, like rain or fall. We don't know what I'm going. Alright, here we're going. Try and call it again.
I'm not like Flo. Just a flappy little prank.
Let's see. Hopefully it goes through. If not, we'll move on to the next candidate.
Next victim.
Next victim. We have a lot of victims. Alright, so we're moving on to the next person.
Try call her?
No, don't. We'll just move on to the next person. So, call my virgin. You see me I say, Ingram, big up yourself. You see me I say, yeah man, call you right now. Boy, see what I got. I want to be epic. If he answers. Hello?
Hello?
Hi, good evening. Yeah, what going? Hello?
What is?
Yo. Yo, where are you, dog? Yeah, that number, yeah, brother.
What?
Yeah, yo, me so short back.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Alright, yo, call the next virgin. Alright.
Please the private the number.
No, we don't have private number. They don't have that number, yeah.
Oh really?
Yeah, man, nobody don't have that number, yeah.
That friend that have the number then? Play the man, tomatoes.
Alright, yo, we're going brown. We are prank case, me I say. Don't worry yourself, bro.
Hello?
Yeah, man, evening. Calling from the duty office. You on location?
Wait.
Calling from the duty office. You on location?
Yeah, they're from Money.
You're there from morning. Who's supposed to relieve you?
I'm not sure number, so that me call somebody else and they say first somebody to come relieve me. So I'm not sure who.
Oh, alright. So what time you supposed to clock off? Because we are trying to sort out that right now, you know.
Clock off around 6 o'clock.
6? Wow. Alright, here we go on. So because of the weather, yeah, we have most persons calling in, right? So yeah, that's why I call you know. Out and I watch your face.
I know, sir, but I said from 4 o'clock, let me out and I just stay alone, me drinking a man.
4 o'clock this morning?
Yeah, 4 o'clock this morning, left out 6 o'clock duty.
So how far you come from?
Eh?
How far you come from?
I just me I come from Manny, but you remember social friend that I can just make him drop me. I told you in that series, man, was loading from early and go over base around 5 o'clock. So around 5 o'clock.
Alright, so that means...
So on push back location, so that's I'm push out early.
Okay, I understand. So that means we have to send a pickup for you then?
Yeah, man, just want to jump back a bit, so then think can pick them back.
Alright, so we say you can hold up on the storm till 8 o'clock?
Yeah, man, one thing I sent for them boss, man, so get back down a bit.
Alright, no problem, boss. I will try. And if we reach a little later, you're still good with that? As long? Alright. Bro!
He's not gonna ever be a friend again. He's not be a friend again.
I call him back.
Because you have a man and string out the man of the man one guy in yard.
What is gonna go strike you?
I know them are God ever bury him. Him call it as a prank.
Gonna go bury you. Remember me said you that you. That's man, because that's oh, you call me the girl, because that's then depend on the way. You call me and tell that. Now, how can I match them at the end? Bad man, no. Hey, man, recognize you if I say something like that. That's a number is a send the phone.
Yo.
Brown, you have just been pranked by 876 and chill.
Man, it's the phone and you
brother, yo, I swear we are easy with the dog. I'm here, so that me don't have to do it, brother. I swear. Yo. You're not here too, I see it. I see it. Yeah, brother, right now I record this. Yeah.
It's when you have a friend like this one, guys, I hope you're commenting down in this comment section, you know, tell me how we do so far. If you'd like to see more little pranks like these, you can give us suggestions down below what you'd want to see us do.
Yo, that one so, holding me, you know. The man that poor thing.
Man say from 4 o'clock you don't drink no tea. Man want to go in my yard, as long as somebody come,
yo,
he just wants to go home.
You just want to go. Brown, pick up yourself.
You need to eat before you leave your yard.
4 o'clock, 6 o'clock. Alright, who next for the list?
I try to call back Tristan.
Alright, so I call back Tristan. Yo, that was a good laugh, you know? I swear. Alright, so Tristan, your time. I'll call you. So I have a buzz.
Hopefully.
Once you answer. Oh, it's a ring. What is your time? Epic.
Hello? Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Hi, can you talk to Steven, please?
I'm not hearing you.
Alright, can you tell him that I am pregnant and he needs to pick up his phone?
You're what?
I am pregnant and he needs to take my calls because he's not answering me.
Okay.
Who is this? Because he gave me this number the last time. He called me from this number once.
No, call her back.
Good, hang up.
No, man, call her back.
Do before she kills Steven.
Yo, we know why she kill him. Might have to call her from my phone.
Wait, make us see.
We might have to call her from my phone. So you're...
Well, God, I hope she not kill him.
Tristan.
Yes?
Yeah, no, you don't have to kill him, yeah? Mattis.
Oh, you mean, woman call the phone say your man breed them and you not kill him?
Yes,
You never gonna tell him?
Huh?
You wouldn't tell him? Oh.
Well, let's check the Zoom because you just hung up Babs on the phone and Z, so let's check. Well, we just prank you still, isn't me?
That's not a prank.
It's not a prank, it is a prank. Hmm? No, but you know, we don't want to take it serious, that's why I'm sure we'll call back. You know, most persons will take it serious and thing and, you know, show the pattern, beat him and all them things and, you know, we don't want that. No man, you're a quiet beating. You're beating quiet, like it. You might shout and you not answer. And you just boops. Who named XYZ? Why is she pregnant for you?
No.
That's right, so epic. How will you use line phone?
Well, we can't help you.
Alright, so I'm gonna move on to the next victim. With soon buzz you. Alright, later.
Yeah. Like I said, she never business. She just gotta give the message. A girl like she, me like. But not fight no boy and her cuss with nobody. She get the message and she hang up. And she gotta deliver the message and that's it.
Yeah. Yeah, you call the next person?
How we call Sirika?
Call her what?
No, I call Sirika.
Oh, Sirika.
Yeah.
Alright. Sirika, yeah, I get prank.
Mm-hmm.
Sirika time. You talk to Sirika?
And you?
Me talk to Sirika?
Yeah.
Tell Sirika say.
Tell her say you meet her on FB and you want to meet her on the other talk on Facebook. And you're lonely now, nothing.
Hello.
Hey Sirika, what's up?
Okay.
You remember me?
I didn't mean to come up with you.
Oh, really? You don't remember me?
No.
We were talking on Facebook the other day.
Oh, really?
Oh, really? It's like that now.
You gonna give me a name?
Why? So you don't remember my name? This is Jason, really?
Jason.
Yes, this is Jason. Don't you remember me?
No, because I don't use Facebook.
Really?
Yeah.
You're serious?
Yeah.
So why is your name Sirika?
Because my middle name, everybody knows me as Teresa.
Oh, well, I didn't know it was your middle name, but that's a name I got because I saw your photo on Facebook and I was messaging you.
Oh,
That
the wrong person.
Oh, so someone is impersonating you?
Yeah, probably so.
Really? That's interesting.
Yeah, you don't know?
No. Because, so how would I get your number if we weren't talking?
I don't know, probably right for you, bro.
But it's you.
Girl, you can't catch me, bye.
Bye.
Yeah.
My answer, she couldn't even just play along. Like,
No,
girl,
no, we're not a brag bar. Go ahead.
you couldn't just play along.
No, chat to you.
No,
She
sir.
pick up my voice.
Exactly. Oh, I know who we can call. They're not on this list, but we can call them. Let's call Shakerah. Let's call Shakerah Dunkley. She's also a young YouTuber. Girl always over there belt out her throat. I do all Oliver cover songs. She tell you about how she lose the weight. So you can go over there to check her out.
Shakerah, I love you. Trust me. Big up. Live tonight.
Hello, good night.
Hello?
Good night.
Hi, this is Wally D.
Hey, girl.
Hey, just a call
Alright.
for give you a little strength, you know, me there. Me do a vlog and me decide to call some little young YouTubers and make them know say they got them shot cause them a do good.
Alrighty. Calamon gang, big up for
Yeah, you don't know Collarbone gang, Elder gang, Buck up on me gang, you know? We're all with there, we get a little strength.
We're out here.
Yeah, we're out here. Yeah, girl, me love your vibes over there. Them can't hold you again, them can't stop you.
None at all.
Shakerah Brown.
Yes, Raquel.
Oh God, I hate you. Girl, me open up my things to you know?
Yeah, so you catch me.
I know, right?
Your vibe can't hide.
Oh God.
My man.
We're there, we're doing a prank call video.
Lord Jesus. I know saying all I lost off my catch your vibe still.
So Shakerah, if me the call, me
But you
that
catch me still.
actually catch you more than.
Yeah.
Yeah. No real
Yes,
sense.
Wait. Very. We're not probably pick up Romy advice.
You can't pick up my voice so easy.
Oh really?
Because I can change my voice. Simple. Easy.
It could probably change, because I'm more used to Raquel's voice.
Exactly so.
Probably if Romy had called, then no, with a
Yeah.
really get
Would I
it.
call from Flo and tell him so the service I could get this is
We have a
interrupted.
disconnected service.
Yeah. Then you could tell
Lord
me.
Jesus. I mean, I make them in a car, this is so cheap.
I swear.
Oh my God, bye girl. Sigh. Alright, we're gonna try Shamila one more time. I call Shamila and make she know, say, you know, our boyfriend's supposed to give me the rent money and I don't get it. Let's see if she gonna go on bad or she gonna be, you know, prim and proper and nice. Shamila.
Yo, before that, yo, bro literally linked me like my cuss. Swear. Where yourself, bro? There's some guy here. Some guy here, man. Where yourself? This is Shamila.
All I like the security guard them wanna big up on yourself.
We haven't done it. Yeah. Big up. Stay okay. Yo, security jack, easy, you know, I don't want to squeeze sanitize up my hand, you know. Big up on yourself, secure. We know anything. Whether happen or how we, I swear.
Alright, Shamila. Now I get to tell no life on your little boyfriend today. But next time we'll catch you. So if you're watching this, when I see Christina, pinch her. She gave me your number to call you. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to like,
subscribe, and share.
And comment. So keep them coming. Remember to tell your friends about us. Tell your family. Remember to go over to all our social media platforms. On Instagram, 876N Chill.
N as in not.
As in net worth. On Facebook at 876 and Chill, the symbol. On Snapchat, 876N Chill. You can get all the little inside scoops over there. You can see when we're recording, all the little lovely stuff. You can see what's coming up next. And guys, remember to tell all your friends to come over.
Over here, so. Right here, so.
Right over here, so. To 876 and Chill.
Yeah.
So guys, keep safe. Keep warm.
Yeah.
If your house a leak, put a little tarpaulin over the top.
With some block.
With some blocks in Jamaican way. You know?
Or you get the wire and tight, you know, that little thing that you do in there, yeah. So
Tight
the breeze will
down.
blow it to
So
like
the-
hurricane.
Cause,
Yeah.
you know,
Yeah.
it rough out there. And for other persons in those areas with the landslides,
Yo, keep safe.
keep safe.
Please. Don't walk when you have to walk. Please. Don't walk when you have to walk.
Remember guys, be kind to everybody. Help out who you can. Just a little bit of kindness can go a long way.
Trust me.
See you guys next time.
Big up people out there with no fear. Is it?